better life.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. In an emergency, this system would bring you important information. The following tones will conclude this test.
This is the Jefferson County Department of Emergency Management conducting a test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. The following tones conclude this test.
Join Steve Bunin weekdays on King 5 News at noon.
Live from Studio 1A in Rockefeller Plaza, this is the third hour of Today.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the third hour of Today for a Wednesday. What day is it, Craig?
Hump day.
That's right. Mike. I'm Al here.